for the health, prosperity, and the beautiful future of Japan Society of Boston, let me call toast. Kanpai.
The gala is officially open. I want to say thank you and welcome again to our Consul General, Mrs. Consul General, our distinguished guests. As I customarily do, I'd like to ask the board members that are here today to stand. It was a very, some of them are not standing. Don't be shy. It's been a very difficult 2.5, 3 years, and without you, I think we wouldn't be where we are tonight. A lot of nonprofits had difficulties. We had our challenges too. Some folded. Without this board, I think we would have had a completely different situation. Before we jump ahead, I have one more piece of board business. We're saying goodbye to one board member tonight, John P. Cullen, who has served with the board for over 10 years as treasurer and a member of the executive committee. John, would you come up and get a small present, please? Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
The chance to connect with the Japan Society and the chance to be here with you tonight provided me a wonderful opportunity to reflect on my own connection to Japan and how it has provided roots that have really served me so well for many decades now. My team at Putnam, we spend a whole lot of time doing all the analysis you would expect and thinking all the deep thoughts and making all the thoughtful, well-researched decisions. But what makes it really special is that all of those decisions are linked to these deeper roots for each of us on our team. Why are we here in the first place? Why are we here at Putnam? But why are we here? Here in this world. And so my time in Japan, again, strengthened these roots in such a singular and important way. I can't imagine any other way that those roots could have been formed. I'm incredibly grateful for it. And it's so interesting to me, it's come full circle. We started with this invitation to this amazing society that would connect me to new ideas and wonderful friends, and here we are with the invitation from another society full of wonderful people, wonderful connections, a society that is devoted to the kind of connection that can form those deep, deep roots that will benefit all of us for so many years to come. So I'm delighted to be here, I'm grateful to be here, and I hope you'll join me in thanking the Japan Society and the leadership for these deep roots of connection that they continue to foster for all of us.
こんにちは。この度はボストン日本協会アワードの表彰をいただくことになりまして、誠にありがとうございます。光栄でございます。柿の川からですから海側から陸域をずっと見るということはですね、そういう視点でものを見るということは思っているよりもその大事な意味があるということがね、分かってまいりました。本当に画期的な賞をいただきまして、心から感謝を申し上げます。ありがとうございました。
京都にいらした時に優子さんは何か特別な式典に参加させていただいたと聞きました。
ちょうど2019年の秋に、今の天皇が即位をされて、当時雅子さまとご一緒に京都御所にいらっしゃった時に、京都市の方が優子さんも一緒に京都市の方へ、展示をされて、雅子さまが、ご覧になられて非常に懐かしんでおられたというふうに聞いています。
そうですか。
きっと多分優子さんも喜んでおられたことでしょう。
そうですね。雅子さまからね、もともとはいただいた優子さんでいらっしゃいますものね。ありがとうございました。
Looking forward, we realize we'll be looking at the 70th year of the Boston-Kyoto relationship, the oldest in America, coming up in 2024. And then in 2024 as well, it'll be the 120th anniversary of the Japan Society of Boston, the oldest of its kind in the United States of America. So we'll be back again next year, downtown Boston, and the following year will be 2024. We plan to return the kindness. We'll be having a large event here in Boston, but also one in March in Kyoto. So please keep an eye out for that. Thank you.